How to read other people's code. Beginner level. Introduction. One of the most important skills in programming is the ability to read and understand code written by others. In real-world software development, programmers spend a large amount of time reading existing code, understanding how systems work, fixing bugs, adding new features. Most large software projects contain thousands or even millions of lines of code written by many developers. Learning how to read other people's code helps programmers learn faster and work effectively in teams. Why reading code is important. Reading code helps developers checkmark understand how programs work, checkmark learn new programming techniques, checkmark improve debugging skills, checkmark contribute to existing projects, checkmark collaborate with other developers. In professional environments, developers often read more code than they write. What does reading code mean? Reading code means analyzing a program to understand its structure, logic, and behavior. In simple words, reading code equals understanding what a program does and how it works. This involves examining functions, variables, data structures, program flow. Step 1. Start with the big picture. Before reading every line, understand what the program is supposed to do. Look for project description, documentation, README files. Example README idea, project, weather app, description. Retrieves weather data from an API and displays temperature. Understanding the goal helps interpret the code more easily. Step 2. Identify the entry point. Most programs start execution from a main function or entry file. Example in Python, def main, print, program started, main. Example in Java, public static void main, string, args, opening curly bracket, system.out, println, program started, closing curly bracket. Starting from the entry point helps you follow the program flow. Step 3. Read code in small sections. Large programs can be overwhelming. Instead of reading everything at once, focus on small parts of the code. Example, def add underscore numbers, a, b, return a plus b. Understand what the function does before moving to the next section. Breaking code into smaller sections makes it easier to analyze. Step 4. Follow the program flow. Programs execute step by step. Example, x equals 5, y equals 10, result equals x plus y. Print, result, program flow. Start means assign values means add numbers means print result. Understanding program flow helps identify how data moves through the program. Step 5. Understand variable names and functions. Variable and function names often describe the purpose of code. Example, def calculate underscore total, price, tax, return price plus tax. From the name calculate underscore total, you can guess the function's purpose. Meaningful names help programmers understand code quickly. Step 6. Use debugging tools. Sometimes code is difficult to understand by reading alone. Running the program and using debugging tools can help. Example debugging step, print, value, quote, x. Debugging allows you to observe how values change during execution. Step 7. Check documentation and comments. Many programs include comments explaining complex logic. Example, hash calculate the final price including tax. Total equals price plus tax. Comments help clarify why certain code exists. Documentation is also useful for understanding libraries and frameworks. Real-life analogy. Reading code is similar to reading someone else's instructions or recipe. To follow a recipe, understand the final dish. Read the steps carefully. Follow the order of instructions. Similarly, programmers analyze code step by step to understand how the program works. Benefits of reading code. Reading other people's code helps programmers. Checkmark learn new programming techniques. Checkmark understand software architecture. Checkmark improve coding style. Checkmark become better problem solvers. Checkmark write cleaner code themselves. It is one of the fastest ways to improve programming skills. Common challenges when reading code. Beginners often struggle because crossmark code may be complex or poorly written. Crossmark projects may be very large. Crossmark some functions may use unfamiliar libraries. Crossmark documentation may be missing. With practice, developers become better at navigating large codebases. Tips to improve code reading skills. Developers can improve their code reading ability by checkmark studying open source projects. Checkmark reading high-quality code examples. Checkmark practicing debugging. Checkmark reviewing code written by teammates. Checkmark asking questions when something is unclear. These habits help programmers become more efficient developers. Where code reading is used. Reading code is essential in many programming tasks. Debugging software. Maintaining legacy systems. Code reviews in development teams. Open source contributions. Learning new frameworks. Most professional developers read code every day. Simple definition. Reading code. The process of analyzing and understanding a program written by another developer. Final summary. Reading other people's code is a critical programming skill. To understand code effectively, understand the program's purpose. Start from the entry point. Read small sections of code. Follow the program flow. Understand variable and function names. Use debugging tools and documentation. With regular practice, developers become better at understanding complex software systems.